In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start collecting your DOT rewards with Crypto.com Supercharger. For the latest information on Crypto.com, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. For those of you familiar with my channel, you'll know that I released a tutorial about how you can start earning Polkadot rewards with Crypto.com Supercharger. Well, now we've entered the acceptance period and can start to accept our rewards. So today, I thought I'd walk you through that process. And if you want to find out more about how Supercharger works, then I'll pop my full tutorial in the summary below. But Supercharger is a simple, flexible, and secure liquidity mining platform for the most popular cryptocurrency projects. Their first project was the Uniswap UNI token with a $500,000 allocation. Since then, they launched the event for Polkadot, and now they've just launched their Bitcoin Supercharger with another $250,000 allocation. And if you're interested in finding out more about this event, then I've got a full tutorial available. However, back to the Polkadot token project, where charging started on the 30th of October and ended on the 29th of November 2020, with the reward or distribution starting 30 days after, on the 1st of December, lasting for 30 days and ending on the 31st of December 2020. However, immediately after the charging period ends, your liquidity score and rewards of DOT tokens are determined. And once this has been confirmed, you have the option to accept it anytime before the acceptance and reward period ends. But to ensure that you receive the full reward amount allocated to you, it's important that you log into the exchange and accept your allocation before reward distribution begins. If you don't, you'll lose a portion of the reward schedule to be distributed to you. And if this does happen, you are still entitled to the remaining portion of your reward allocation, just as long as you log in to the exchange and accept your reward allocation. So let's jump into the walkthrough about how we can start to accept our rewards. So once you've logged into the exchange from the dashboard, if we head over to Supercharger in the top right hand side of the screen, and with Supercharger selected on the left, you'll find a list of the different events and status balances and the liquidity score. And it will then display your final reward allocation and your calculated rewards. Now mine is obviously quite low here, and this is obviously due to the amount that I've entered into the pool. And the most important part of this is that you'll start receiving your rewards after you accept the allocation, which you can do by ticking the box here that states that you understand and accept the final of DOT allocated to you and the basis of its calculation to be your final allocation of DOT. So once that's ticked, we can go ahead and accept. So now we've accepted our final allocation, our daily reward will be reflected in our exchange DOT balance. And as I said, there are other events now available, so make sure you check those out too. For example, with Bitcoin, they have a $250,000 allocation with Supercharger. And as I said, I've got a full tutorial for that if you're interested in earning Bitcoin. And you can keep your CRO deposited in the Supercharger pool to be automatically carried across to the BTC event. Or you can simply withdraw by navigating to the Supercharger event from your dashboard and selecting to withdraw your contribution. And that's how you can now start accepting your rewards with Supercharger. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.